Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to remove Microsoft Authenticator from Microsoft account. So stick around to the end to understand how you can do this successfully. So currently we're on our Microsoft account and we're going to go to the top right corner and click on our profile avatar, click on my Microsoft account, and right here on the left side of this page we're going to click on security, then we're going to click on manage how I sign in. And among the options here, you're going to look for Authenticator. So here you can see the Microsoft Authenticator option and says sign in notification. And you also have this option, enter a code from Authenticator app. Both of these options are two ways you can use your Microsoft Authenticator on your Microsoft account. So in order to remove your Microsoft Authenticator, you need to remove both of them. So for the first one, we're going to click on the drop down and click on remove here. And it's going to ask you to confirm if you'd like to remove it. Go ahead and click on remove and this will be removed. After that's done, you're going to repeat the same process for the Authenticator app. Click on remove and click on remove again to complete the process. When you do this, you would have successfully removed your Microsoft Authenticator from your Microsoft account. This will mean that you'll be signing in through other methods available to you. So let us know if this was helpful and thanks for watching.